Good PM, ngayon po ay Tuesday, January 16, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayon Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 16, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 16 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 611 million pesos for January 16, 2024 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.